Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download files in Zen browser in 2026. If you want to save documents, images, videos, or any file from the internet, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open Zen browser on your computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Next, visit the website where your file is located and find the download button or download link. Now click on the download link. Zen browser will automatically start downloading the file. Next, look at the downloads section in the browser to monitor the progress of your file. Now wait for the download to complete. The time will depend on your file size and internet speed. Next, once the download is finished, click on the file to open it directly or show it in your downloads folder. If you want to change where files are saved, open Zen browser settings and go to the downloads section. Now select a custom download location so you can easily find your files later. Next, make sure you check your downloads folder regularly to manage and organize your files. Finally, keep your browser updated so downloads work smoothly without interruptions or errors. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to download files in Zen browser. Your files should now be saved and ready to use anytime. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.